Hello everyone, let's talk about server RAM. Specifically, the Samsung 32GB DDR5 4800 MHz ECC registered DMM. Model number M321R4GA3BB6CQK. This isn't your everyday desktop memory. This is serious stuff designed for servers and workstations that demand stability and reliability. This module boasts a capacity of 32 gigabytes, built on the DDR5 standard. DDR5 brings significant improvements over DDR4, including faster speeds and greater bandwidth. This particular stick runs at 4800 MHz, which translates to PC 5-38400. In layman's terms, it's fast. What sets this RAM apart is that it's ECC registered, or RDIMM. ECC stands for Error Correcting Code. This means the memory can detect and correct single-bit errors on the fly. In a server environment where uptime and data integrity are paramount, ECC memory is crucial. The registered part refers to a register chip on the module that helps stabilize the signals, allowing for higher densities and improved reliability, especially when you're populating multiple memory slots. It's a dual-rank module, 2RX8, which can offer a performance advantage in certain server configurations by allowing the memory controller to access more data in parallel. It operates at a standard 1.1V, which is typical for DDR5 and helps keep power consumption in check. Now, it's important to note the compatibility. This memory is specifically designed for select DDR5 servers and workstations, particularly those using 4th Gen Intel Xeon or 4th Gen AMD EPYC processors. It will not work in desktop or laptop computers. Double-check your system's specifications before purchasing. Also, a critical point, because this is ECC registered memory, it cannot be mixed with other types of ECC memory, such as ECC unbuffered or ECC load reduced, or even non-ECC memory. Mixing memory types can lead to system instability or failure to boot. Always consult your system's manual for the correct memory configuration and channel guidelines. Upgrading your server's memory with a module like this can significantly improve performance. More memory means your system can handle larger datasets, run more virtual machines, and overall, experience less bottlenecking. This translates to increased workload capacity and a smoother experience for users. Samsung is a well-known and respected brand in the memory industry, and this module appears to be built to JEDEC DDR5 standards, ensuring compatibility and reliability. If you're looking to boost the performance and stability of your compatible server or workstation, the Samsung 32GB DDR5 ECC registered DMM is definitely worth considering. Just make sure it's the right fit for your system.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.